So to replicate this really minimal setup on your Windows PC or laptop, step 1 is to right click on your mouse, click on view, and under that you will see an option called as show display icons. So make sure to go ahead and disable that. So this will basically make our desktop look pretty minimal and clutter free. Now once you have done that, it's time to switch up that wallpaper. So this exact wallpaper is from wallpapercave.com. Now I'll also make sure to drop the exact download link of this wallpaper down in the description box, so you can go ahead and download it from there as well. Now once you have done that, go to the Microsoft Store and install this free application called as Nice Taskbar. Now once you have installed the Nice Taskbar app, click on the little arrow in the bottom right corner of your screen and fire up the Nice Taskbar application. Now once you have done that, choose the clear template over here, and after that bring the color slider all the way to 0. So this will basically make our taskbar look transparent and it blends in really well with the wallpaper. Now once you have done that, it's time to bring all our icons in the center of our screen. Now most of you know how to do this, but if you do not know, then right click on your taskbar and go to taskbar settings, then click on taskbar behavior, and once you have done that, you will see an option called as taskbar alignment. Make sure to choose the icons as center over here. Now after that, when you go back to your home screen, all the icons will be in the center, and this makes this setup look pretty aesthetic. And finally, to use this widget, I've used a free software called as Rainmeter. Now just in case you do not know how to use Rainmeter, I've made a video on that. I'll leave that video here in the cards and in the description box below. So definitely make sure to check out that video, because only then you will be able to achieve this setup. Now speaking about the skin which I used for this setup, then the skin name is called as Mond. I'll make sure to drop a link from where you can download this exact skin. But yeah, apart from that, just enable the clock ini file and make sure not to enable any other element in this skin, and yeah, you're pretty much good to go. And once you have done that, you finally have this really minimal and aesthetic looking setup for your Windows PC or laptop. And yeah, that's basically it for this video. If you guys like this video, don't forget to drop a like, subscribe to the channel, and I'll catch you guys in my next one. Peace out.